guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm speaking English in this one because I got a package and I'm doing an unboxing. This is from a company. Well, they sent me a robotic car. So if the seal on the bubble bag is damaged or peeled off, please reject or do not sign the package, okay? So this is from a company called ELEGOO. So let's open this one up. Let's break the seal and take this one down. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing on this one. Next one, I'm gonna try to put it together because it comes in parts. Looks like this. So it's the Smart Robot Car Kit 3.0 Plus from ELEGOO. It's with an app for iOS and Android, line tracking, obstacle avoidance, and ER remote. Okay, here's the back. Okay, let's open this one up. Here we go. Comes with a manual. How to assemble this one, put it together, and yeah, it's a lot of parts, but this is gonna be fun. So in here we have boxes. So let's open this one up first. Yeah, a lot of parts, screws, tape, more screws. And it says on them what it's for. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff. Transmitter or charger, and also tools. Let's put it all here. I'm gonna put it back so I don't mess things up. Alright, so this is what's in the first box. Looks like a motor or a charger. I really don't know. This one. I'm not a technical person, so I might need some help putting this thing together. So I think I'm gonna bring in my friend Kent if he's available. If not, well, then I might do it myself. So put everything back here in this box. And guys, you know that I haven't been around talking English so much. Why is that? Well, it's because I'm for the moment at 58,000 subscribers on TikTok, and I'm doing a lot of content in Swedish. Box number 2. Let's see what's in this. Bluetooth module. Oh, it says on this one. Cell box, dead plate. All right. You guys see this? So on this one is Uno piece. Bluetooth module, expansion board, line tracking module, ultrasonic sensor module, PC. It should be like a. All right. Oh. So this is. It's got glasses. It's gonna be a cute little robot. Parts, I need to be careful with this, I think. This is, I don't want to mess things up now. Yeah, this is it. Okay. Let's put this ones back in this box and then open the last box. Put this one here. This is the big one, and let's see what it says on the side. Tires. Oh, okay. DC motors, 4 pieces. Remote control. USB cable be 1 piece. USB type micro. Okay, so. Oi, oi, oi. All right. So the cable, a remote control, and then this was supposed to be for the tires, huh? And the tires are in here. That's it. Yeah, that's it for this box. Okay, I don't think it's gonna be so hard to put it together, but then again, I suck on this. So I think I might need some help. But and also it's fun to do it together with someone instead of doing this myself. Smart robot. Oh, the chassis. There was no CD, I think, on this one. Okay, here's the chassis. All right. Okay. Nice. So car kit 3.1 plus. This is the unboxing. The next one is gonna be when I assemble this one together with my friend Kent, hopefully. If not, well, then I have to do it myself. So guys, did you like this one? Please do comment down below. If you want to see more, of course, there's going to be more. So I'm going to do, first off, assemble this one, and then let's do test drive it, and then put it onto some tests as well, and make some fun videos with this as well. So think also ELEGOO has a coupon. So in the description you can find a coupon for a discount on this product if you want to buy it and try it yourself. Okay, that's it. So I'll be back speaking English again. Don't worry guys. See you again in a couple of days. Bye bye.